Today is Monday, January 12th, and this is your forecast for the central United States. We've seen temperatures well above average for this time of the year through much of the middle of the country. That is still the case here as we start another week, but there are some signs of some change, at least for the Midwest, that could favor a colder than normal weather pattern by the end of the week. So right now, we've got mild air and sunshine through much of the middle U.S. Actually, it's one of the quieter weather maps I've had in some time. A little bit of light snow that moved over the Midwest last night. That's now pushing into the Northeast. So in the wake of that light snow, we're in the upper 30s to near 40 in Grand Rapids and Detroit, right around 40 in Cleveland, 42 in Chicago. You got that warmer bubble of air out there in Des Moines. You're kind of at the edge of it, and temperatures just continue to be well above average for much of the middle of the country. 44 today in Cincy, 47 in Louisville, hovering around 50 for a high in Nashville and Memphis, 53 over there in St. Louis. So in the Midwest through Wednesday, we're in this pattern where it's not bad. It's pretty much where we should be, maybe a little bit above average, but then the cold weather pattern returns here for the end of the week. That will come with some snow, probably light snow, but also some areas of lake effect snow, probably in and around Detroit. In Chicago, that cold change happens again about Wednesday, and then you'll really feel it Thursday right through the upcoming weekend. As we slide into the southeast, we're in the low 50s for Wilmington, Charleston, Charlotte, all actually at 51 today. 53 today in Savannah, so it's jacket weather from start to finish there, my friends. We certainly would like a warm-up. In fact, I had a friend message me from Georgia, not from Savannah, but from outside of Savannah, asking me when's the warmer weather going to return. That may happen over the next couple of days, but it's not a long-term thing. It's only a couple of days, as you can see, upper 50s tomorrow and Wednesday. And that's not much of a warm-up anyway. And then it favors a colder weather pattern here for the end of the week. In Fort Lauderdale, it is windy this morning. That wind is gusting 25 miles per hour. With temperatures in the mid-70s, when you're usually around 80, the wind and mid-70s is definitely not going to be something you'd expect in South Florida. It's going to feel much cooler than normal, and there could be some showers coming our way later on this evening. Kind of a cooler week ahead here for South Florida. Temperatures mostly in the 70s. Yikes, Friday with some rain showers, maybe 60s, low 70s for the upcoming weekend. Yeah, it's not fun when you're trying to escape the cold and you're hoping for pool weather, and that's what you get. But that does happen this time of the year sometimes. All right, that is your Monday morning weather update. I hope everyone has a great start to the week. Remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.